Right, so today I'll be showing you how to connect your Bose QuietComfort Ultra headphones to your Windows PC or laptop via the Type-C port. And with this second generation QuietComfort Ultras, you can actually connect via USB-C for lossless audio. All right, so you can use either the Type-C to Type-C cable that comes in the box of your headphones, or you can use any Type-C to Type-C cable, connect it to a Type-C port on your laptop, and then connect the other end to the Type-C port on the left ear cup of your headphones. Okay, simple as that. And once they connect, you'll see an orange light and they are now connected. So you can now consume any media, any music, any movies you might be watching connected via the Type-C cable, right? So you can actually do that with these second generation Bose QuietComfort Ultras. I hope that was useful. Thanks for watching and good luck.